Well, gardening friends, I got this package of seed as a gift, and so I'm going to plant it right now because I want to have some more moss roses out front, Portulaca, and so I'm going to plant this in a flower pot though to make sure I get a better germination rate. But then I'm going to set the flower pot in the soil because moss roses are very good at self-seeding. So by putting them in this flower pot, they will self-seed and drop their seeds into the flower bed. I like to have this flower bed out front that I've been working on, all covered with moss roses. And so I've been taking everything else out of it. So when we get out there, you'll see how things have all been taken out of it. So the first thing I'm going to do is put some, I got to put a pot shard in here. And that keeps all the potting soil from going out the drainage hole. So I'll just set it in there. Although since I'm putting the flower pot in a hole out there, it probably wouldn't go out anyway. Whatever kind of bugs those are, earwigs I think, and they seem to like my potting soil, but they don't bother me at all. Okay, so then I'm just going to sprinkle them on top because I'm pretty sure that moss roses need to be on top of the soil and in full sun. Let's just read it. It says to soak seeds. I'm not going to do that. I hope that's not necessary. Then lightly press on slightly moistened, well-drained soil, barely covering them. They need light to germinate. Cover the drainage container with clear plastic wrap. I'm just setting it outside, and I'll probably be watering it quite a bit. It says here to put it in a window, but I'm putting it outside because this is in July. Yeah, I don't want to start plants inside in July. Okay, here I am. I'm just sprinkling it on top. I didn't get them sprinkled good. Yes, Leilani.
Can I be in your video?
Sure, you're always welcome to be in our video.
I got my meow.
Oh, well, show Grandma your meow.
His name is Mermaid S. Oh.
What? Oops, he jumped on the ground.
His name is Mermaid Esmel, and his is Whale.
Oh. Okay, so let's go around front, Leilani,
okay.
And we're going to put them in the flower bed out front.
Hey, Grandpa.
Yeah.
My friend Aria has a meow.
Does she?
Yeah, and Lily has one. And his is a common.
Oh, cool.
My duplicate one that I like.
Okay.
I got a different one that I like. This one.
Yeah?
Married Esmel.
Okay, this is a hole I dug right here. And I'm just going to put the flower pot in there. So I'm just pushing dirt in around the sides of the pot.
Hey, Grandpa.
Yes.
Do you know which female that Aria has?
Which ones?
Married Esmel. Because he's a whale.
Oh, yeah?
And the tiny Okama Ellen.
While we're here, this is a seedling from a poppy.
Poppy.
Yes, those are common wild poppies. And here's another one.
It's kind of like Poppy from Poppy Playtime.
And there's a bunch of them up there. Now they grow, the poppies themselves, they die off in June and July. Yeah, this is July firecracker season, isn't it?
Yeah, it's like 4th of July.
Yeah. Anyway, and then,
what is today?
4th of July. I mean my birthday.
How old are you?
6.
anyway, and then these will winter over. They actually live. Those poppies actually live until next spring, and then they grow into the poppies that are going to be here. We need to thank our neighbor for choosing the moment when we're making a video to send up all those firecrackers. Anyway, so the last thing we got to do is just water them. And then I'm going to try and keep them moist. Every day.
Why?
Okay, so if you like that video, please like and subscribe my channel. Like this video and subscribe to my channel. And I will talk to you again sometime. Thanks a lot and goodbye.